Hello everybody, good afternoon and good morning. Today I am going to prepare something healthy as well as interesting. As requested by some of my friends, I would present a video today. So we have Indian style chicken curry, keema curry, cooked for over 15 to 20 minutes. And then we have noodles with some half-boiled veggies. And then we have cheese for grating, and then we have a white sauce with ample of pepper, so pepper is healthy. And then we have rice flakes, which is the most healthiest form of rice, chuda or poha. And then we have a flour, a hard dough of maida, which is added with a little salt, and then we are going to bake it layer on layer. So this is going to be little, I would say, little healthy and little luxurious as well. Alright, let's prepare. Thank you. Just grease the lower portion of the baking pan with a little oil, and then we prepare the dough as per the shape and put it inside the pan. This dough rather be a hard dough, because we have noodles from where we will get little vapor, and then we have veggies, we have the curry from where the oil and water will soak, and then we have the white sauce as well. So it will be soft enough as in watery. So the dough need not be, it should be hard. This can be as rustic as it can, because it's just to build the base. So when we take off the bake from the pan, it will come with a proper shape. Okay, now we have to layer the ingredients. We must have a little bit of chuda first. And then we have the curry. most of the pieces, the big pieces of chicken could be put in this first layer. And then we add the veggies, a little veggie, and then the noodles, most of the noodles. And then all of the veggies. And then this can be pressed a little so that all of these ingredients fit into the pan. The more rustic it is, the better it looks. Then we add a little white sauce. This layer of white sauce can be sumptuous. Then we use all the curry, the chicken curry that is left. If someone wants to make it vegetarian, then they can use a curry out of mushroom and mix mushroom and paneer, or any form of veg protein that they would like. Finally, we grate the cheese over the bake. it's ready to be cooked or to be baked. Preheat the oven for almost 10 to 15 minutes at its highest, and then we bake it for over 45 minutes or 1 hour, depending on how it bakes. You have to check in it, so the oven will be preheat to its max. It's 230 degree over here, and it will be left for preheating for 10 minutes. And then we have a little more pepper sprinkled over the cheese, and we bake it for over 45 minutes to 1 hour, as I said, depending on how it goes. Thanks. Let's hope this has come out well. Hope you'll enjoy it. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you.